Lovable or Bolt in 2025? Which one should you choose? Let's break it down. Fast, simple, and under 2 minutes. Let's go. Lovable is a full stack product experience platform focused on user onboarding, product tours, and in app messages. Think easy adoption, smooth UX. Bolt, on the other hand, is all about one click checkout and conversion optimization for e commerce brands. It's fast, frictionless, and built to sell. Who is it for? Lovable is ideal for companies, startups, and anyone wanting to improve user engagement inside their app. Bolt is for e commerce businesses, especially those looking to cut cart abandonment and boost conversions with a fast checkout. Features: Lovable gives you drag and drop onboarding flows, user segmentation, product analytics, and feedback tools all in one. Bolt delivers one click checkout, fraud protection, shopper accounts, and real time performance insights, focused purely on checkout optimization. So, Lovable equal better onboarding, Bolt equal better selling. Pricing and integrations. Lovable offers flexible plans with usage based pricing, great for scaling apps. Bolt typically charges a percentage per transaction, which can add up but aligns with sales growth. Both offer solid integrations, Lovable with tools like Segment and HubSpot, Bolt with major e commerce platforms like Shopify and BigCommerce. Pick Lovable if your goal is engagement, onboarding, and retention. Pick Bolt if you are focused on e commerce, speed, and increasing checkout conversions. Two tools, two very different missions. Now you know which fits you. Like and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.